The next standard in our progression is K.MD.B.3. Classify objects into given categories, count the numbers of objects in each category, and sort the categories by count. In the kindergarten classroom, teachers should be working on helping children to classify objects into given categories. Some examples could be color, shape, and size. Teachers should also be having children sort these objects into different categories on their own. Objects can be classified in a large variety of ways. Natural categories for kindergarten, like I stated, could include color, shape, and size, but other categories can also be explored. Teachers can ask questions such as, does it roll? Or does it stand up straight? Objects can then be sorted by their classification. Once objects are sorted and classified, children should also be able to count the number of objects in each category. Once objects are sorted, they can be compared and also counted. This is a natural connection to other standards that have been taught both previously and are also being taught currently. Teachers can provide children with a large variety of objects and allow them to come up with their own way of classifying. For example, some children might choose to classify a large variety of plastic bug toys, either by insect type, by color, by whether or not it flies, etc. The important thing for teachers is to question children on their classification, such as, why did you choose to sort them by color? Or, how many of your plastic bugs are able to fly and how many are not? Having children complete tasks that help them to classify, count, and sort will help them to move on to the next part of our progression.